plenty of really nice cars, but just one outlaw. In 2010, the previous owner heavily invested in the engine, body and interior to give this 365B Coupe its new outlaw look, a nickname which derives from the legendary 356 Carrera. When this car was manufactured in 1960, it wasn't yet an outlaw, but merely one of the most desirable sports cars of its time. Now it is one of our finest, and we like to show it off. Of course in our showroom, but also in the occasional rally. Interested? This 356 has matching numbers and copious documentation, which we'd like to show you. And of course, you get to listen to the Outlaws raw.